Introducing the Miracle A9 Nova, the new all-in-one solution for automotive and residential key cutting and duplication. Codemaster 4 app supports image-based decoding to read key data for duplication from a photographed key image. Laser keys as well as single and double-sided edge keys on the left. Dimple keys on the right produce the most widely used key types with one single clamp. Ultra-stable motion reduces vibration for more accurate key cutting, even with harder or high-strength materials. The end mill cutter, mounted on the right side of the head, cuts both standard and laser-type keys. The decoder mounted on the left reads and measures the original key for accurate duplication. Place the original key to be duplicated. The decoder will read and measure the key when the decoding is initiated. Replace the original key with a key blank. The cutter will reproduce the key with high precision when the cutting is initiated. Automotive and residential key cutting and duplication solution, Miracle A9 Nova. The Codemaster 4 app offers an extensive database of key information. It works seamlessly with tablets, smartphones, laptops, and more. The Miracle A9 Nova, compact, powerful, and built for precise key cutting and duplication. Experience it now.